at 75, 76. And after we got that rejection, selling away from that rejection seemed to make a little bit of sense. The challenge, of course, is, well, we've obviously got other things going on which are suggesting it's not going to sell off yet. So we had drawn this scenario here for the cash market open. It's obviously a little bit early for the cash open. We talked about getting the sweep for the cash open. So we're not a million miles away from the scenario that we thought was going to happen. And that looks pretty good, right? That looks pretty good. So the scenario we were pretty accurate on in terms of how we thought this was going to develop. We suggested to everybody this still had a lot of upside in it coming into 2 o'clock. It has had a lot of upside in it coming into 2 o'clock. So I think we're as close to a scenario as you could possibly get in terms of how it developed and how it traded. So, yep, we might still be going higher. The double Ds are still very, very, very top line. So at the moment, we may well be running that 87 sweep. So we might be dragging this scenario into 87s come the cash open. But we're now watching for that top line rejection idea. Too many sellers on this at the moment at these low prices, and that's what's currently stopping the movement. Too many sellers in here, suggesting, of course, that the drive towards that 87 probably isn't far off, and we might just get that little kind of play coming in for the NYMEX open. And obviously, we need to see that double D selling. If we get that short sell on the delta divergences, we can obviously take advantage of it. Nice trade. Well done, anybody that joined me on it. I like your style. Nice and aggressive.